Hello, welcome back. I am sharing a haul with you today from two Canadian scrapbooking stores. One is in Moncton, New Brunswick, which is on the East Coast. That's called the Nic Nook, and they have a really great selection of things. I think good thing that they pack it really nicely in this box because it got a little beat up this time. I don't know what happened. And then the other is from the Papercrafters workshop. I have done some videos at the actual store when I was in Ontario this summer. They're great. And yeah, so I ordered a few things from them. So I thought I would share what I got. Start with the inks. I'm slowly collecting some of the Catherine Pooler minis. And I actually got some reinkers this time because they were clearing them out. This first one's called Serenade. It's this really pretty light purple. The next one is called Minted. Basically, these are my colors. Purples, greens, and blues, people. Oh boy, I didn't have a bright blue in the dye inks. So I have a lot of oxide inks, but it's the dye inks that I'm kind of slowly collecting. 16 Candles is the next one. It's a girl. I got a few pinks because the pinks I had, I didn't have too many. Be Mine. Mardi Gras. It's a really pretty green. Like a teal green. And Samba. I just love the name of that. No, it's not a good reason to get an ink, but that's what I did. I was going to tell you prices. Those were, I wrote them down, $4.62. This is all before tax. We have 12% tax here, but $4.62 per mini cube. So they're clearing them out. I'm assuming they're not going to be carrying them anymore, but I do have quite a few, so I'm probably good for a while. The reinkers were $4.06, and I just got the reinkers that they had available for any colors I have. So these were what they had, and some of these are not, like this one is Martini, and I didn't buy Martini, but I do have it. It's one that I already own. Uptown, that's another one that I own already. Minted, so I just got that one. And 16 Candles, and oh boy. And I know there's fun techniques you can actually do with reinkers, so I'm kind of excited to try that. And I packaged it in a nice bag, which is great in case things leak. And I also got the foundations set, which comes like this, the Party Collection. Rock and Red, Fiesta Blue, Orange Twist, and Grass Skirt. So I didn't have any of these, and this was $15, this set. So that's a really great price. They came out to be less than $4 a piece. Okay, so those were my inks from the Nic Nook and ink reinkers. And then I got some dies and stamps. So I have been eyeing this for a while, and I went to go purchase it, and it actually sold out of the couple of places I was looking at buying it. And so I found it, they had a special for 20% off. So I was able to get this for 20% off. So regularly at the store, it was $30 or close to $30, $29.75, and I got it for $23.80. So it was really cute. I do like myself a martini, so I thought that was kind of fun. And I also think I have a lot of dyes that I could add to this, like to make them seasonal. So I thought, I just like that I have the base one. Then they have a really great clearance section at this store, so I was browsing around that. This was, I have the Taylor Expression Simple Strips sets. I have a few stamps. I have a Christmas one and I think two other ones, and they all stamp at the same time. And then you use their dies to cut out all of the strips, and it lines up really nicely. And I have the one that has more of a rounder edge, but I like that this one has a different edge. So what I do is if I'm doing, say, a bunch of Christmas cards or a bunch of birthday cards or something, I'll stamp a couple of these or heat emboss on the colors I want, And then I have a whole batch of sentiment strips. I also find this useful for card classes. So when I do classes with my students, or if we're doing like a makers club, then I'll have like a little cup with a bunch of the sentiments already ready to go. I have this set that they're showing, like it says happy birthday, pop, fizz, clink, cheers. Like it's a really great little set. So I got this for $19.60. It was regular $35. I'm also a huge fan of Pretty Pink Posh. And then last Valentine's, I was making cards with my daughter. She likes to make Valentine's cards for her classmates. We realized we didn't have really any heart stamps. So I've been kind of eyeing this one for a while. So this one was also 20% off. So the stamp and dies together were $29.40 for this set. And then this one, I've been looking for a stamp, die, and stencil set by Altenew to try, and they're so pricey unless you kind of luck out and buy them. Sometimes Simon Says Stamp has them really reasonable. Sometimes they have their own sales on the Altenew site for specific ones. And then I found this one, and I just thought it was really different. Like, I loved the style of this, and I liked that there was 2 options. I thought it was really pretty. And then they have some nice sentiments. It says big hugs, smiles, and love. And then that's the coloring stencil. So I'm pretty excited to try that. And that whole set came out to $37.10, and it was regular $66. So that was a really great price. And then I got this, which was this is $2.60. It's the Vellum Doilies by Minte. And I love Minte papers and things, so it's hard not to go. Hard not to go a bit crazy. And because I spent around $200, I think the shipping is, you get free shipping if you spend $150 or $200 or something like that. So what I tend to do with these local companies is you can build a box, or I just wait and do like one big purchase. I'll wait and kind of combine my purchases. The next one, same thing here. You get free shipping after a certain price. Now this time I didn't wait. Normally I wait for their stuff to go on sale before I purchase, but I had to purchase a few things for my Makers Club for work. So I actually paid regular price for a couple of things, which I almost never do. So this is all very nicely packaged, but it's just a lot easier if I pull everything out. And they also always send like a little yummy treat, but I ate those, so those are gone. I needed this for work. I needed a Blackery anchor, so I got the Gina K Obsidian. I've been wanting to try the All in Create washies, the ones that layer, so that's what this is, and that was $7. I needed more glue, and I've heard great things about the Gina K Connect, so I thought I would give that a try. And I wanted some sparkly glitter stuff for my Makers Club at school. So I went with this pretty blue and this like glittery silvery color. I don't have any like glitter silver, so I went with those. And I think these were about like, this was $3 something and this was $4. Okay, and then they had a special on, this was in the summer, so this is regularly $8, but it's purple and blue glitter foam paper. There's 10 sheets, and these were on sale for, I think they were $5. I'm pretty sure it was $5 for the pack, which I thought was really good. Let's see. Yeah, so there were a few things that I got on clearance. They were $4.79 for the pack. I got, this was on clearance. It's just one of their zip up bags, but I find these really handy, so I liked that. I noticed that they sell these, and I've been looking for something in this size. So these are actually to hold 12 by 12 paper in. So I got a pack of 10 of those, and I'm very excited about that because I've been looking for something like this. Really simple, just to put quick card kits together, and for work especially, I think they'll be super handy. I got this. I am a teacher librarian, so I had to have the little library, and we actually have one of these on our street, the little local library. So they did not have they were sold out of the coordinating dies, but I have to go find that next because I find I use the Lawn Fawn stamps a lot more if I have the dies. I just find they're so teeny. So I'm very, very excited about this one, and I can use this. We're going to do bookmarks and a few things at work, so I'm going to use that for work as well. The waffle flower, it's the snowman set. I liked this, that it wasn't exclusively Christmas, and I have the postage set, so I haven't really got a new one of these since they've been releasing the new stuff, so I'm excited to try that. And I cracked and got the Winnie the Pooh pack. This was regular price. This was like $10, $10.99, $11. So my husband is a huge Winnie the Pooh fan, and his birthday is at the end of this month. So I thought I could make him a fun Winnie the Pooh hat, card. And also our anniversary is coming up. So I thought one or the other or both. Oops, I skipped a few pages. I'm sure you've seen this. This is not new. It's newish, I should say. It's this year. These are so cute. You are as sweet as honey. The things that make me different are the things that make me me. I love it. Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. Like, oh, these are beautiful. I didn't really a huge Winnie the Pooh person as a child, but I definitely think I do like Winnie the Pooh. I just don't have that nostalgia that he has. So, anyways, I think that's repeating now. So I thought that was really sweet. Okay, and then they had a special on their inks in the summer, so I got a whole bunch. They had this set on clearance for $8.97, and then these are regularly $19, and I got them for $11 each. So these are going to be for work. So I'm taking these because they're minis. I thought, and they have kind of a range. I can do a lot of different things with the kids. I've got some stamp sets and things that I keep at work, and I've taught them already how to do some ink blending stuff with what we have there. And I just was looking at, we didn't have too many greens, many blues, purples, and then many of these colors. Like we only had just like a small selection. I took inks there that I wasn't really using here, and so I thought that would be great, and I think they're gonna have a lot of fun with those. And I think that's everything. So I did get quite a bit. Oh, I also purchased some candy. So a lot of my craft or scrapbook companies carry candies and sweets, and they had some that I thought, oh, I'll stick that in my kids' stockings for Christmas. So I figured I'll just buy it from them. Yeah, so that's my haul. I know it's a lot of stuff, but I'm pretty excited. As I'm filming this, World Card Making Day, it's World Card Making Day today as I'm filming this. And so I'm really excited today to take a bit of time and do something creative with it. And then I thought maybe I could show you guys. I'm gonna maybe take this one apart. So if you've never seen these, these are the All and Create washies. Now I don't use a ton of washi. I have a collection of it, of course, just like everybody else, I guess. But these ones are cool because they make an image. So we have to just find, here's the start. They have a bunch of them. you just pull it apart. Okay, that's upside down. And then, okay, so I think that's the line. Is that the line? Yeah, so I think that brown right there is the line. I'm gonna try it. Oops. And you can, the idea is you rip them, right? Because they're washy. So, and then I think I may have ripped that one a bit too early, but let's do that here. And then, okay, you line it up. Cool, right? So then you just keep ripping. And that's the next one. And of course I chose one that has like books on it. Believe me, there were a lot of awesome ones to choose from, so I wasn't. Does this go here or is this the next one? Oh no, it goes up top. Oh, that's interesting. I guess that's just where it ended up when they did this roll. So it looks like 4 pieces. I think that's probably the last one. Yeah, so if I'm, can I zoom this in a bit? So if you can see that, that's pretty cool, right? And it looks like it's got this different, like you can make the edges all like roughed up. You can put that on a card front. You can stick it on an envelope, and then you can just like do some fun, like mount that on. You can cut out something with dies and then mount that as like a card front with a sentiment, and you're good to go. Put it in a junk journal. They have some really cool examples online. So that's the All in Create washi. I thought that was really fun. So check those out. All right. And that is my haul, all my goodies. So hopefully you enjoyed sharing that with me. If you are Canadian, I highly encourage you to do a quick search online and check out your Canadian scrapbook stores. There are a lot of really, really great ones that carry tons of great stuff. It's all small businesses, local stores, and they're usually wonderful to deal with. So, yep, I will talk to you soon. Hopefully, having another crafty video out for you as soon as possible. All right, take care. Bye.